What if you said money ain't everything? The hood raised us wrong. Or just to get your money long, but look, I'm gone. Would that touch your heart? How you feeling funny inside? Would that be enough to make your punk ass ride? What if he gave you a little list of things to do? Said he wouldn't have to die, he could live through you. Would you load the yats and get ready to ride? Or would you lock the door with your crib and hide? It's a cold world, even when it's hot outside. Whether sunshine or rain, you still feel pain. Hit him cause he was your strength.
Yeah, good things will happen to those who wait. When I'm stuck in the game, still slinging weight. That eggshell white, that tan in the brown for XL 6 or 7 4-pound. Suede seats top, but Italian leather is better. And with cameras in the mirror, nigga cars cost cheddar. I'm on first class flights with flying cooks. Cause my verse sound nice when they flying hooks. Now I'm blowing Guido in Beverly Hills with some bad freak holes in the Montreal. Next year it's the new Hummer. Stash box with the llama. I drop
Big shit, I come through spit clips.
Call a mechanic, niggas on that slick shit, talking that slick shit.
I know how to fix this. I'm the mechanic. Hard head, nigga head, open it soft. I provide these services, we breaking them off. I'm a familiar face from the land of the lost. Used to be a worker bee, now a nigga a boss. It's like every now and then I'm back being a mechanic. I split a nigga head, I'm a grease monkey with it. My mama told her baby boy the Lord gon' bless us. Then dope bought her shit the food stamps couldn't get.
Yo set, cause I'ma rep my set. Chief net.
Hey yo, pull that back, man. Hey yo, play that again, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. We gon' pour a little liquor out. Yeah. We gon' pour a little liquor out. For all the gangbangers across the world. Yeah. Smoke a little Joe. For the niggas that's really rep this shit.
Dreams, it don't feel how it feels when you're hit. Mama, baby boy is a killer. It's funny how them guns hit the pop for the skrilla. 4 bodies in 19, man, I love that little nigga. For $5 grand, niggas are air to strip out. For 10 grand, niggas will run up in your house. Have your ass trying to talk with a gun up in your mouth. New Yorkers talk niggas to get money down south. But get knocked in the Commonwealth state, your ass out. Fuck the cat, fuck the SARS, fuck that king rat charge.